In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, the S23 Ultra features a 200 megapixel camera, and to use it, all that you have to do is select it from the settings of the camera app. If you are using a different application, you might also be able to select it there, but for the standard camera app, you will see the current camera that you have selected here at the top, and you can change it by going over to this menu or by tapping the option at the top right corner of the screen. If you open the menu, you will see it again here, and by tapping on it, you will see the options to change. So you can change from 12 to 50, and of course, 200 megapixel, which is the focus of this video. So if you select this option, it is going to use that camera, and you will be able to take pictures according to your preferences. Of course, there are a lot of other settings for you to explore. You can go into the general settings, you can enable or disable flash, you can set up a timer for this picture, you will be able to change the resolution, and everything will be available. This will apply for both photos and videos, and you can change it at any time by just heading over to the settings. Once it is changed, all future pictures will be set accordingly. You can go over to more if you want additional options, but this will primarily be used for people who have a lot of knowledge on how to take the best pictures possible. I'm not going to go into too much detail about this. You can also head over to the settings, as I've mentioned, by opening up the menu, and inside of the settings, once again, more options for you to customize, including the new AI or intelligent features that they offer. But if all you want to do is change the camera that is being used, just go into the settings or tap this icon here at the top, and you will be able to change it to 200 megapixels. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Samsung S23 Ultra 200 megapixel camera. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.